This video explains how to answer question 4 of this Edexcel A Level Maths Mechanics paper, and the video will end with what the mark scheme says on the subject. This question uses knowledge from Year 1 Chapter 11, Variable Acceleration, and Year 2 Chapter 8, Further Kinematics. We have the position vector in terms of t, and we know that t equals 4. So let's substitute 4 into the equation. We know that when t equals 4, P is on a bearing of 135 degrees from O. Drawing a diagram would help to see what's going on. We can then label on 2c and 6 using our position vector, i.e. 2c is to the right and 6 is down. We now have two choices to work out c. We could apply trig to the right angle triangle to find out what c is, or we could do a quick calculation about the third angle in this right angle triangle. That is 45 degrees as well, so we know it's an isosceles triangle, so therefore the side 2c would equal the side 6, so therefore c is 3. Speed is a scalar quantity, and we can find this from the velocity vector. To get velocity, we differentiate the position vector. Then we know that t equals 4, so let's substitute that in to get that velocity is 3/4 I minus 3j. We can then do a similar diagram to really see what's going on. Using Pythagoras' theorem to the right angle triangle will get us the hypotenuse, which is the speed. So speed is 3.09 meters per second. We know velocity. We have to differentiate this to get acceleration. And we know that when little t equals big T, the acceleration is minus I minus 27j. To get from the general equation to what we know the acceleration to be at big T, we see that we have to multiply minus 3/4 j by 36 to get the required minus 27j. So the same has to be done to the I term. So this makes it, working it through, makes it 9 seconds. And here's what the mark scheme says about the question. I hope this has helped. Thank you for watching.